Hello everyone, let's go to the 81st example. Make a program that reads a 3 by 3 matrix. This array will only be populated with elements 0 and 1. Not that it is necessary to verify. Test cases will not cheat the entry. Representing a Tic Tac Toe. Print only a yes or no without accents as an answer, informing if the one markings won the match. So let's go to the program and see what is happening here. First of all, you have to include the library stdio.h, which allows us to print messages on the screen. Here I am using the hashtag define to define a name and a value for this name. So every time I call this name, the value will be equal to 3. Here I am including 4 int variables for the for the matrix, the I and j, and the control. This for loops is to read the matrix, and this for will start with the value of I equal to 0. The I has to be slower than 3 because, as we remember, an array of 3 places starts on the place 1 and finish on the place starts on the place 0 and finish on the place 2. These for loops follow the same way of thinking. The j is equal to 0, the j has to be slower than 3, and every time this for loop runs, the value of j will be increased by 1. So, this scanf will storage the value that you type in your keyboard on the computer memory in the position I, A, I, and G. So, the value of I will start with the 0, and the j2. So, the 0, 1, and 2. This is the first line. The second line is 0, 1, and 2. So, what is happening here? For one value of I, the j will run all the values. So that's how we will read the rows of our matrix. Here I am searching if the 1 wins. The control is equal to 0. So here I am testing the first line, the second line, the third line, the first column, the second column, the third column, the main diagonal, the secondary diagonal, and if the control is equal to 0, we'll print no. So let's go back to these conditionals and see what is happening here. I am just changing the value of j, as you can see, and if this position is equal to 1, and this one will print yes, and the control will be equal to 1. So if this conditional asks this conditional, the control will be equal to 1 and will not print no. Going back, we will check the second line as the same, the third line as the same, the third column, the third line, the first column, the second column, the third column, and the main diagonal, the 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 2, and the secondary diagonal, 0, 2, 1, 1, and 2, 0. That's pretty much the same, so let's go to the terminal and see what is happening here. We can use different ways, but this is the easier one to do. So let's enter values. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Yes, the 1 wins. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Yes. And you can play with your friend because it's functional. Yes. So, thank you for your attention. Link for the script is on the video description, and subscribe for regular content.